In this video, I'm going to show you how to tag people on TikTok video. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And there is couple different ways how you can simply do that, so I'm gonna show you the both. And first open up your TikTok and let's start creating new video. So first tap on plus icon and now you can use your camera or you can upload something from your camera roll, and now hit next, and on that step you can mention a person. For that you need to hit there on stickers and there select mention, and there you can write any username or you can select among your friends right there like that to mention some person on your video. And also you can change the position of that sticker, the size like that. You can rotate it and locate it in any place that you want. But if you don't want to use stickers, let me delete that one, you can do the following. You can hit next and there on the step there is mention option 2 right there. So in caption you can tap on mention and there search among all your friends, and there you can hit on some username, so you now tagged this person in your caption to that video. So hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.